Sieve shaker. Sieve shaker is an instrument that is used in particle size analysis. Construction. A sieve shaker consists of a stack of sieves. Sieves are wire meshes of brass, bronze, stainless steel, etc., which contain various aperture sizes. The distance between the wires is termed as aperture, which serves to separate the particles. The number of holes present within 1 inch length of the sieve is denoted as sieve number. The sieves are arranged from the bottom to top in the order of descending sieve numbers, so that the sieve with the largest aperture comes on the top and the smallest at the bottom. The sieve shaker holds up to 1 to 18 screens of 8-inch diameter sieves with a timer. The bottom pan serves as a collecting plate. The topmost sieve is closed with a lid. This stack of sieves is secured by clamp rods, closed with a clamp plate and fixed with screws. Working. A weighed amount of powder is taken in the topmost sieve, closed it with a lid and then with clamp plate. The timer and the speed are set to desired values. The machine is started for sifting of the particles. Particles get sifted depending upon their individual particle sizes. They either pass through the sieve or remain on the sieve surface. After it reaches the set time, the machine is stopped and brought to rest. All the sieves are disassembled, the powder is collected from individual sieves and bottom pan, each separately on butter paper. The obtained powder is weighed from each individual sieve and the values are recorded.
For more information, install Learnpharma app in Google Play Store.